Frequent flyer, fly, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend the warmest welcome. And I'm back out here at the field with the IFPGEMF Miss Helen. About to get a quick flight off. I'm going to try to put it in manual mode and do some rolls. I think it's manual mode that I'm putting it in. I'm operating the switch on channel 5. So let me know in the comments if I got the wrong channel for my manual mode for my gyro on this thing, because it does have a channel for the flips and rolls, I believe. And off camera I was able to do a loop by holding the by putting this in the manual mode on channel 5. By activating the switch on channel 5, I was able to do rolls and I was able to do loops. So gonna try it. Let's get it. All right, let's try to get this bird plugged in. I didn't even have to bind it or anything. It just bound right up. So let's take off my hand. Okay, let's try to do a roll, y'all. Turn it around. Sheesh. Let's try it again. Roll. Oh, it went crazy, y'all. I don't know what that's about, why it's rolling so fast and stuff now. It wasn't doing that before. Let me try it again. Okay, it did a normal roll that time. Come down a little. See if I can get it to do a loop. Oh, sheesh. As soon as I push that, I think that might be the roll button, y'all. As soon as I pressed it, it just automatically did a roll, and I was trying to do a loop. Let's see. Oh yeah, I don't know what that is. I think it's actually manual mode, but it's so out of trim that it just tries to go up in the air, and when I try to roll it, that's what makes it go wacko. Because when I just hold the button on its own, it just gives me a bunch of elevator, and I can do a roll like that by not giving a direction or anything. If I hold down that button, it'll just automatically do a roll. So let me show that again. Okay, just pressing the button and it did a roll. I just switched it in, I just flicked it in manual mode, well, channel 5. Soon as I activate that switch, it just wants to go up in the air. The elevator, it gives me extreme up elevator, and it does a roll if I keep my finger on it. So I think it's manual mode, but it's just it needs to be trimmed out. The elevator is extreme, but I can, however, almost get it to do a roll normally, but it just wants to go up in the air as soon as I press that button. So when I try to roll, it'll go up first. I have to correct that, and then I have to do a roll. So I kind of have to press down to do like a sort of roll, a snappy roll. maybe about 4 mile an hour wind here it's dealing with. Giving it just rudder and aileron to do the turns, and a little elevator periodically when I need to turn tight like that. When it's going too close to the trees, I give it some elevator to make the turn tighter. Try it right here. I lost the blade on the prop. The aircraft is okay, so I'm okay with it. Might as well break this other side off of the prop. Bummer, because it really needs to be a longer prop to give me a good flight with just 2 blades here. But let's still take off with it just to see that it still flies. It flies, but I don't think it likes that wide blade like that. Making a lot of noise. Listen to it. Yeah, it's off. I think it's not balanced yet. It's not balanced well. Oh, and it just popped right off. So yeah, I'm gonna have to do something about that. Nevertheless, I'm not mad at this flight here. Fun was had with this. I really like this plane now. I'm anxious to see what it does in 3S. As soon as I get a 3S that'll fit in here, I'm going to pop it in and do the video so you guys can see. It's the Eachine Miss Helen P51 500mm P51 Warbird. And I got this from AliExpress, y'all. Thanks for watching.